What up? It's your channel number Charlie on the screens. And yeah, man, I'm back with another episode of Comfort Zone. And the fun does. Aye! Di ba na khon man ya kata pea. Kaya khon man kasi ndithuso go kwa ko tara tsela tata. Chibala leli.
Okay. Spinesa buya podcast ya. Lona bo Charlie uhoste ude energy ngumikwa ngoba ndazi otherwise. Spinesa buya sawa ba itini game we are always in a game.
So ba Spinesa buya seke sazama ishuta lewe na khon man yami qa ko bukhona difficulties bana pha. Heza siruta ba Spinesa buya. So yeah khon man ya kata man before singene kuyo. Ndinombuzo kuwe ta naye uputera behind nantsika behind the cameras. Yabo staff sokuba ku interview.
I've never been to one.
Never ne. Wena tazo?
Nah, zange baba interview.
Yasikena bangena njani phethu?
No, zange interview isho yasikena.
Ne. Banga the reason ndiveza le wait apha ndifuna ta bangena ku interview apha esivekini. Apha transprimer for iwe ku assisting uvule mosizo wengo ta. Ta into enzamu icho ta yayabole yayinantsika. I-situation akekho umuntu oprepareshela for yona because uthi xa ufika pha noba usoprepare ta vele kubetha vele nje kube player uvele nje ungazazi and abantu abajongileyo yabazi bonke ta so andiyazi ta if mhlawumbe wena unganazi what is encouragement for umuntu mhlawumbe ozophinda aye here ku interview bangazi preparation njani
Kaloku okokuqala I think there's only one or two things that is required in interview.
Yes.
It's focus and confidence. When you are focused, you focus secondary one, of which is what is London one, it's your interview. That's your most important day.
Yes.
Then Gengoku, you must plan it accordingly and you must prepare the speech for an interview. Do you get what I'm saying? So confidence start from the way you wear.
First impression.
Okay.
Okay.
The first impression lasts forever. Remember, there are no sides. Yes. But you must be what you represent.
Yes.
You are on an interview with no confidence. Then if you lack confidence, there are no further questions or opposition, like proposition as between you and the organization. You must be confident, and then no confidence you require practice and your time. Yes. Your time needs you need time. Then if we're now 7 Sunday alone, there are no panic. You won't panic because partner, you have a way to walk by getting system right, confident. The way you walk, the way you sit, your posture. It's about your posture. You can't go there and sit like this. Then it means you are freezing your mind.
Yes,
you get me? You will get a panic, a lot of panic. You panic too much because wabamba blood circulation. Then you need to be confident. Act like a president. Act like a king. And then if you feel like a king, everything is possible. That's the motivation that I can give. Be confident, be focused. There are no other big words than focus. Focus is a big word. Right now, if you can ask me,
yes,
am I focused?
Yes.
You can ask me, am I focused? I will simply quickly say, no, I'm not focused.
Also.
Because there are lots of multitasking in my mind.
Yes, right now.
Which then I'm not directly into it, but since I'm a person who can multitask, it means I can stand to focus on many things, but not all of us are able or can connect to that one focus. So others need to minus others so that they can have time for the other.
Yes.
You get me? Then that's focus. Then now we are going to be confident. Do you get me?
Number 2.
The confidence goes with the focus. While you are focused, we can see you by no man. For instance,
yes,
you see a rapper. No, I don't know this person, but the way the confidence of this person is a rapper. You've seen it through the personality of the person.
indlela zenga.
Meaning his confidence, the impression that he gives to us, the people who are watching.
Yes.
You get me?
Yes.
Those are two things, but do not separate those two things because we are talking about the Benejezeren. It's one thing. There are no separation. Do not separate the confident with focus. Focus goes with confident. Confident goes with focus. They are both one thing. It's one coin. It's a 5 rand. So in this 5 rand, there is no tail, there is no head. It's just one coin. It's a 5 rand. Do you get me?
How add on how more up with that because also we explained it last time. Now we're going to re-explain la part of the coin by Yamanjan.
Hello.
Yes.
What I'm trying to say is a coin.
Yes.
The 5 rand. A coin.
Yes.
And then if you want a debate or an argument or a confusion or illusion, someone will say, go ahead, go 5 rand. Still referring to the same thing, if 5 rand. And then I come and say, no, ngutei. P with 5 rand.
Yes.
Now we are making sides when there are no sides, only the Benejezeren.
The cheeky.
There are no sides. That is when the city. If focus, don't separate to be confident. Because when you separate the confident to a focus, you are making a mistake of which we as lasha now. You get lost in the island.
Utana nje ngendlela zanayo if future interview umuntu uzohlala pha afisane nepanel pha because you uvela ube confused uvela ube dizzy and njengoba kenye basibetha ngayo bhutera yami abafuni ukuthetha home language yakho pha you have to speak George.
So that's what I was trying to say.
Yes.
Focus and confidence goes together.
Yes.
If you are focused, it means you are prepared. If you are confident, it means you are well prepared. You are no longer prepared, but well prepared.
Yes.
Do you get me? So those two need each other. But the time you separate the two, it means that you have delayed your time. That's when you will panic. That's when you will feel like you can't make it.
Yeah.
Because, do you get what I'm trying to say?
So confidence, and the focus.
Do not separate. They are not separate. It's one thing. They are twins. It's one thing. Just like a day and a night.
Yes.
It's one day. That which gives you a chance in a day, gives you a chance of a night. But it's one night. It's one day. Do you get me? One day is made of a day and a night.
Yes.
Which is 24 hours. Makes one day. Am I right or wrong?
You stand to be corrected. Ne followers correct.
Then how can you separate a day and a night?
At night then at the day silapho kwana sibhizi khona sibona na grand. Athi uthi ke umxhosa ebusuku lixesha lamagqula. So separate njalo.
A day is made of sides.
A day. Yes.
2 sides. That makes a day.
12 hours.
12.
Then 24
a day
hours.
Meaning.
Yes.
Then we have a night. Episode 12, which makes one day, full day. And then how can you say ebusuku? No, when you are a lazy person instead, then it's night kumnyama. You decide, no, since I don't have nothing to do in these hours, I have to sleep. No, it doesn't really mean you have to sleep, because there are people who don't sleep at night, and then from you will start to offend them or be offended by them. You start calling people ngamakwikha. You start calling people names, a lot of names, which separates them.
So there are people who
it's one day.
There are people who operate 24/7.
24/7, no sleep.
24/7.
But you plan to sleep. To sleep, it must be a plan.
Yes.
You have to sleep at least 2 hours.
To be fully charged.
You are charging your body now. Yes. You have a plan and a confidence. That is why you have to sleep. And while you come from sleep, it means you will get more strength for you to focus, to be confident enough for the plan. What do you have for a day?
Next question.
How many hours, Gandhi? that is required you to be fully charged.
Be fully charged.
Only it takes 2 hours.
To sleep and be fully charged.
To be fully charged, it takes you 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yes. Because you can sleep 2 hours and feel like you've slept more than 2 days, but you only slept 2 hours.
We're so fully charged.
You know that you are fully charged. It's because the body is giving you the feedback that you are fully charged. That is why I was saying there are no sides.
Okay. It's one day. That was a separate way of there are two.
Do not separate.
Yeah.
Satan and Jehovah is one voice.
How?
So we
One
can't
voice.
separate.
How?
No, you can't separate whose voice is this now, because the voice, the statement that comes through the voice come with manipulation. What kind of a manipulation? It's someone who will come to you as if he's a caring person or a loving person. Then you cannot separate Jesus or Satan from God. They use the same voice. That is why both they have followers. There are people who look saints in your eyes,
Right.
and you also say, no, this is the same person, because you think so, not the thing is so. You think so. The thing is, it's not like that. The person is not really saint, but he was acting as if the person is. But we are going back to his separation. You see, that's one thing. It's only if you are confident enough and focused enough, you can be both. Because a day it's made of both, good and bad. Which makes a lack. A lack, it's one thing. It's either good, neither bad, but it's one thing. It's a lack. But how are you receiving your lack? In a good manner or a bad way? Your lack then, it was probably bad. Then you no longer call it a lack, you call, it was in a day for me, maybe I'm cast.
You're blowing my mind.
Luck.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm speaking about a luck. It's a lucky. To have lucky.
Yes.
You see now, we separate it. In luck, it's one thing, just like a 5 rand, 1 coin, which requires a head no tail. Then in lucky, we talk of good luck and bad luck. Just like there's also good news,
But
there's also bad
So
news. Which is one
Those are
thing.
opposites,
What are we talking? No. You are the opposite. Opposing. It's no, I'm listening. It's not the opposite.
Okay.
You are opposing. You as a human being opposing. You are opposing. That is why you make separation of good, of bad. Because simply you can judge me. Okay, I'm drinking my beer and iselela ecaweni. And then ecaweni, what is required? What is the rule of ecaweni? Ecaweni, you must be sober. You can't smoke ecaweni.
Yes.
Those are the rules from the church, which offends other people's beliefs. Maybe in my rule, my religion, my clan, I have to drink and smoke.
But not at all.
But not ecaweni. But I have to smoke ecaweni. And then I'll be like, I'm insulting the church. Or disrespecting the church. Do you see? It's because they chose the opposition. Opposition, it's when you separate one thing and divide it into 2 things.
So let's go Paku, they chose that. Because of most yet abantu abakoyo apha data bemhlabeni safika zikhona ezwe safika ukhona ugood ekhona ubad. Hence nami ngikwazi ngisithi bana those are 2 different things. There's good, there's bad. Nakla coin, there's a head to the tail. Way yafaka
Safika zikhona.
Yes.
Then ithini londo ithi Jehovah and Satan.
Yes. Nalapha benifuna
Has the same voice. So Tina, from back in the days, we have 2 leaders. Which leads us? Who good, not bad. Do you get me? If reaching with Satan,
No God.
not God. Then the opposition, it's a human being. Now, kwisthathu when usesiphakathini, you are in the middle. You it's like in the 19, you are the middleman
Yes.
of Satan
No God.
and of God. You are the one who will oppose. You are the one who will make separation. You are the one who will pick sides. You will pick sides. You can pick Satan and make him your beautiful angel, saying it's your God.
Yes.
Because he make things happen for you.
So who determines between Satan and God? Usatan ngulo ungcwelileyo uThixo ngulo good. Is it still the middleman?
The one who determines. It's another middleman.
Okay.
There are lots of humans in this earth, which each of us is a middleman between God and Satan. Like it's an idea, it's where you have to choose. Like, what can I say? Simply say, what is fear? I came to Chonga. And then when I shoot you, you will die. And then like, what is that? It's a threat.
Yes.
Now, it's an emotion. I choose to, and then now it's in you, it's using you, but no manchonga. You feel threatened. Then that's when you get the idea of deciding who is God for you, who is not God for you. Do you get me? Because both sides, since I've said you are the middleman, both sides, you might be wrong. We might be both wrong. Because we've made sides when there are no sides.
Okay.
Okay. Because umnani yakwazi ukukhulela akhule nama-outi ababantu, let's say these soldiers from 10 years, let's say from ever since he was born, zange wambona umuntu ongumama, zange wayibona life, okwabona igani kuyadutshulwa qha yena wazi loo nto yeni. Then one day you come nomnani una 21, you take him to show the outside world. Then nomnana, if someone act according kwindlela yoba no, to deserve to be killed if he acts like this to me. Kaloku jonga umephi yena iside.
Yes.
And icho ku separate life kuye. Then they gave him one side while there's other side.
Yes.
Meaning there are no sides, but we chose to, but you deserve to be in this side. We are classified now. Then now sikusebantwini, xa ufika abantwini, now intombazane yafika now so gun, so because you are used of touches a move.
Same time.
Every move you know is to kill, is to survive. Like, what is it? Why do you want to touch me? Are you a threat? Obviously you are a threat. Why do you want me to, like, why you so
look suspicious?
You know, one side of the world. Then we were trying to show him the whole coin, but no, man. There are no separation, only the Benejezeren. If I've run in it.
Yes. Why? You know, stay in your head.
Do you get me?
I do get you.
Yeah,
I'm
blowing on the power. Hey, but I watched the board after the episode coming to the grand. It's the Benejezeren way. So let's see park way Sumarta, Benfuna Yele Pie is cutting passive, Tessie mentioning young Wukum. The about the bamboos with Tazopa, or cameraman, 80, Tabael Kama, Benejizo, Ulfumana, P. So, and the young chaka, I got an explanation the Alba Baraka.
Bajem Basili, come.
What can I say?
Yes. Benejezeren. It's PE, right?
Come spell come spell it.
Benejezeren.
Yeah.
It's being oneself.
Yeah.
No spellings.
Like spellings are
like in Impele,
okay, Benejezeren.
Benejezeren.
It's one
but
thing.
Again, it's very hard because you can only find the word in Oxford University. Benejezeren. It's political word. It's a very confidential word which require some dangerous information which people might manipulate you to get me.
Benejezeren.
To be a Benejezeren. Life is a Benejezeren. Right now, people are going to school, people are going to church, people are working. There is a movement, which it's a plan. you see this movement, it's defined in many ways,
Yes,
but it's one thing. What is that one thing that makes many movement? It's one plan. The Benejezeren way makes everyone to participate in the game. We are players. They are coaches.
So that's the Benejezeren way.
Yes.
So da ukukhumbuza grand phezu kwaleyo le Benejezeren. I think there was report side 13 minutes for podcast le besishuta before. There's a thing of igusha indlela ndifuna ukhipha Benejezeren. Ndikhumbula ngolambuzo nakubuza one that time. Who came up with le bench with Benejezeren? Ngobani abasebenzisayo ngalendlela siyiyo ngoku. I think what wayenza nomzekelo ubhutera ngegusha. Ibhokwe uzithatha uzifake.
Benejezeren. I will start it by simply Benejezeren. Right now, the speaker, I'm speaking. This is the energy. The energy.
Yes.
Do you see? That's the taboo for me. For you to remember me, who I was, you will obviously know, but no, this person is no longer here with us. Who is this person? With the energy, recognition, to get me. So now, Sibatatu, let's say Sibai 4, we look the same. We're not different now. We call them not different. What makes you different is that when I
Yes.
Do you get me? You have your name. No, you didn't give yourself a name. They gave you a name. It's to identify you. It's an ID. Do you get me? Why? What is the reason of an ID?
Identification, yes.
To get an idea of who are you, what are you. Without the ID, there is no you. Njengekusha, singekusha mosesibayeni yazibona ba they all look the same.
Yes.
But then we are confusing us if said yes, Saule. Hayi wena mpela. Hayi wena sibanibani. Zikusha now we are yabona ngokusenza ntoni senze i-debate. I-debate iqala kwi-separation. By the time I name le gusha oba jonga nzonzo. Yayiva lewenza mithetho. Igusha leya ene kuyigusha.
So those which kuyo nzonzo. So nzonzo zobayeda,
nzonzo zobayeda. That's when unzonzo zoba nejealous, abe ne-hatred, develop ego, develop into ezininzi because usihle wabekwa kwiposition enzima. Umseparateile bra.
Then now banganikwanga gama bazofila offended.
Who is that?
Separation.
Who is that? Still he says kaloku say i-system lesithetha ngayo. That's a system. Do you get me?
Yes.
Wena so offendiwe, wena so unciphisiwe ba unciphisiwe, so unyusiwe ba unyusiwe. Do you get me? Ngiyaxesha sikuzala sikubona sesidecide life ngawe uba wena since ungusipho wena sakubonisa uba unguyanga usipho wena, you're not a gift.
Okay, eta chebutita about the separations leta. Okay, uba ubani wabekwa so ubani sizamazi ngoba ungubani sipho yabo. Eta khona into yenzekayo currently yabo. Whereby khona into i-romance zizahamba besuke South Africa. Yabo zaya overseas. As we go overseas, they are claiming ba Tina as the blacks. Yeah, yiva lona. Tina as the blacks. Sibulala indoni sibulala i-white African farmers.
Tina is the black.
So Tina is the blacks and the president of Parking.
That's part of the Benejezeren.
Yeah.
What is a Benejezeren? It's a plan. It's a plan, it's a focus. Focus, it's confidence.
Okay.
Those people have planned it.
Exactly.
You get me?
Yeah.
They target places like reserves. The place we live here, guys, is a reserve. Because the location is reserve. You are far from CPTs. Why you are far from CPTs? Gautale location. It's because because the pollution. You are also there. Then you can do.
Okay. So you want to it's a plan.
It's a plan.
Because they
separation.
If you color so we host P kuba stars.
Who's called?
That's a square. Kuba smart.
Like your life,
sit down.
It's a plan of how far can you jump, how high can you jump. That's a plan. From Zegelo, bayakuxelela esikolweni mos. From rural areas to where? Now we are. No, demand what is a plan?
Okay.
From rural areas, from where?
From rural areas.
From the cities. Oh, from rural areas to a township. That's a better location than in rural areas. Do you get me? No. So a plan of a Benejezeren, that's the Benejezeren way. And then you to, because when you've been separated from you, the real you. Who are you?
I'm African.
So
you are no longer an African. You don't know what are you.
How so?
So to, from the township, you have to work hard to the cities.
Yes.
Yeah.
Still, they gave you two ways.
Stick it concept.
They gave you two sides.
Yeah.
And even the two sides, it's either you kill or be killed. And then that's a fear in between. You will choose to survive.
To survive, obviously.
Then what is it? That's your choice also. Which one do you choose? Do you want to be killed or do you want to kill? Then you will see, no man, township lifestyle is not for me. Do you think that is your plan? That's a prophecy. It's already in the books. From township to the cities.
Yeah, stick it to the concept of what's happening.
We are speaking of the Benejezeren. We are speaking of the plan. We are speaking of a separation. It's one thing. Actually, it's just many words, but it's one word. It's also words are being separated. It's two. Separate to information.
Mislead.
Then, they know by procrastination what kind of an information are we hiding through this name. They know, but when you will be confused about procrastination is the delay of your time. What makes you delay? No, you like football, but you are lazy. You like to chat. That's one word from one word. They break it into many words for you to be confused. Do you get me? I'm as clean. Now man's are clean. Then I come up with a plan. Do you see how is a Benejezeren? This is water, clean water. And then I come up with a plan. What is my plan? The net tringo pop, and then I will quickly add my tringo pop through this water. Yes. What is happening there? The color is changing. It's orange. When it's orange, what do you call this water? You will change the word from water to tringo pop. Do you see what information you last one? You like you let's say
information that's not happening.
Like information, you are still drinking water. Even though I sell beer, let's say 30% of water. So kuko chemical z3 body is awuhlula amanzi iwabeke eqaleni lamanzi iphinde ithathe lo chemical till ibeke where it does belong njalo njalo. So do you see bakwenzeke noni ba illusion, but la way into yi-one intoni ngamanzi. Wayeke kuba eyi-wine, wayeke kuba eyi-coffee, wayeke kuba eyi-beer, wayeke kuba eyi-whiskey, wayeke kuba but it's water. It's there. So ne-information ilahlwe njalo. That's the Benejezeren way. It's a plan.
For i-followers zazi ba okay ilahle njani hu ngalo lahla i-information
kanye mhlawumbe wedi start into ezinjalo
because lento involve sometimes involve politics.
Umuntu olahle information yalahlwa ngose kwenziwe isikolo kwenziwe necawe. That's when information yalahle.
Ikhona butera wami if uqolo ubethe emlonyeni ikhona into yokwayithetha ngenye imini and webhizi nawe frutala mini leya in terms of physical nami ndayenda buya ndayihlala phansi leyo ba it's a trap yoba la 12 years yonke pha urelaxile pha
ngayi mamela.
Okay ikhumbula kodwa
12 years from grade 1 grade 1 wakho
Okay,
estimatedly umenza una 7 years or 6 years grade 1 up until to grade 12. Then ikhona chance yoba you have failed 4 times kula 12 years. Then how many years did you go to school?
Like 12 years. Okay, so add maybe next.
Then when you fail at 3,
okay,
12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15, 15 times. Usenze grade, if I'm going 12 grades, but usenze 15 times when it means you have procrastinated. Fine, you are an ambitious person, you can see about curious and confidence, and you think that you are smart and focused. Fine, we are a varsity, you want to be a doctor, engineer or something, then it will require you 7 more years. Plus 7 more years, you make it. In 5 years, you fail. In 1 year. Then we're supposed to attend 7 years, and with 7 years you didn't make, you make 1 year, 2 year, taboo be 1 year, then it means when you fund 8 years it's more than what is required. Fine, because still you are a focused person, an ambitious person, and confident person.
Yes.
Do you get me?
You my kind.
You fix your CV, you start
after 8 years.
Do you get me?
Okay, yes.
So right now, how far is CV from this organization of this institution?
Yes.
They require you 5 years of experience.
Experience. Fresh from yesterday.
No, let's say you have that experience.
Okay.
Then can you count the years for me? And then you post that like Puma with department it doesn't matter which department. ET from 21 years up until to 32 years. When at that time you are almost 34 years. Yes, you passing a master's, you have your honors and masters, you are a very brilliant person, you have everything. But again, which organization or institution that will trust you? You see, they have separated the success way. That's the Benejezeren way. There must be someone who is poor for someone to be rich. There must be someone who is rich for someone to be poor. Before a master, there is a slave. Before a slave, there is a master.
So if system we can't all be equal.
Because if you can be all equal, there will be no operation. There will be mislead. There will be many misleads. There will be many oppressions. Because everyone, you see him was even para, even all leverage, we are more never know I'm just feel I'm a president, I'm a king. He doesn't have balls, I gonna mal, I gonna nix. But we are more the way he thinks or he vision himself. Okay, let's give him a chance. Then you will see what kind of a picture or this person is trying to paint for you.
Yes.
Do you get me? And then your mother, he is a poor person. But you can see from his vision. But also you can see this one is a rich person. But you rich back a man, selfish, selfless, everything ignorant, but you rich, picture mass, everything. No man, yeah. No, yeah, except
so okay, let's go back to la Benejezeren. Now okay. You think now the way you not even in a Benejezeren because now I'm getting a born case layer for we are killing you are white African uncle we then you move low number if the veteran I think 1,000 we can be vacant.
By creative.
He plan ka Elon Musk lose and his ways needs up
ufikele kwi-plans bona ngabantu abarich abanemali. They are fueling the plan. They are the fuel to the plan. There are people who are the fuel to the plan. You also are the fuel to the plan. Because when let's say Tina si poor, then since poor to the rich, since it distracts us.
Yes.
Then it distracts us.
How? Is it distract?
Yes, to them we are distracts us.
But you otherwise
politically, since it distracts us, we are distractors.
But without us, you are about to figure.
Since you are black, let's say you are black, you are not an important person. You can't be superior because you are black. But also, you are the fuel to the system. We are evil because the whites, the elites, they will come as if they are helping destruction. which the oppression that is happening, they are the one who created the oppression. And then from this plan of theirs, Benejezeren way, they will also come and offer you a service of, we are helping you.
Starlink. They will
act as if they are helping you. No, we have created this damage for you. We created your loss, and then now we come to relief, recover, reform. Those triple R's. That it's the thing that they implement to us for you to slow down. Whatever, it's part of the plan. That's the Benejezeren way. Tina, we have to vote.
Yes.
That's the plan. But in this plan, you have to know one thing. Whether you vote or not, leaders will be leaders. Followers will stay followers.
Okay.
That's a Benejezeren way. Which is the way people don't see.
So, Putera, do you always think a legend every day? Every day.
So
it's like the good relationship wise and go no mommy came, go sell it like drinking a lawyer or Benejezeren.
They are religious person, but those are Benejezeren, real Benejezeren.
Yeah, but
when you go to Benejezeren, you wanna see Benejezeren. No, yes, it's been a real Benejezeren. It Benejezeren. You can be a man thinking like a woman. That's being a Benejezeren. Is to disappoint people when you are a Benejezeren. What happened to Delilah? No, Samson. It was a plan. It's a Benejezeren. It's a prophecy. Nina is a no, it's prophesied. When Namfe to Samson, what advice would Tito Wanisha what hey? Lomfazi mfunayo is a Philistine.
And
if Philistine is your enemy, wanna kill you with his clan. They don't like you, they never will. What you know? What you fine? Fine. There are no sides. Ningu Jesus, Ningu Tiko, there are no sides. If you am tanda, but be focused, be confident, have a plan. He is your enemy. Usamsoni waling wangutelila 3 to 4 times. Wamtraya and wakoka usamsoni. Wafailisha utelila. Wapine wamtraya wafailisha utelila. Wakwesithathu wamzanye emotional blackmail. Oba baby. My love is Tamba Sam. Otala.
Kupalele we pipile.
Otala
Okay.
Now he's trying to steal your emotions, the way you feel, the way you must feel. He's pushing it to you. If you must feel sad, you have to feel sad. Now he's pushing it to you. What is Tandwa Sam? Iminyaka mingaka ndijola nawe ndizimisele kulento yoba wena usanibhanqa awungixelele inyani yoba amandla wakho aphi na. Hey, njengomuntu ongitata, umuntu ongitata wayiva lo mazi atsho enhliziyweni. Oyini na sithandwa sami? Yini uthi uthethe kabuhlungu kangaka Delila wami?
Hey, ibhale pipile.
Amazi. No, it's hidden.
Yes.
From that statement, it's hidden. Through that statement ngakubreakela le ndithetha. Yini na sithandwa sami? Uyandiva? Uthethe kabuhlungu kangaka ndingumyeni wakho ndilapha ecangweni wami. Ndiyakubona nyani sithandwa uyandithanda kuba oko undiquphelela ngombuzo omnye kwimibuzo nayo umbuzo wakho utshintshi.
Ufuna lamandla amaleliphi?
What amandla wami asezinweleni? If you cut my hair, you have what? Thanks God. Ebusuku womqhaqhwele ezinzulwini zobusuku mfana khona ufika. Wamthi chendu wabafonela abanina wathi hey ukabele mchebile. Nyani yathi xa befika umjida kasenamandla. Uzama unkulwa bambambile amajida. Akananwela amandla wamasezinweleni. Zimkini nwe.
So lona ixesha masingathembi mantombazana.
So yabe nguDelilah.
So sibuyela back to another Benejezeren. Xa sibuyela kwiGenesis. Eden was born indoda yazalwa yayalelwa nguThixo imiyalelo nayo yayithobela. But ke nguThixo ebenemission, kule mission wathi mfana, I will make a friend for you, uEfa, out of you, because mina mfana nginomsebenzi. Anokwazi manje ngizoncokola nawe, I'm delaying time. Ndineentsukanyana ezimbalwa. I'm delaying time. So when to buy more time and create a low F out of you. When ndakwenza from the sand, from the dust. Now I'm creating F out of you. Ngamathambo of amathambo akho, I will make her. Zakunika ubuthongo.
Ngisepostile. Oh, damn.
uEfa wafika. And uEfa was in there. Kwimiyalelo wena uThixo yalela indoda ubandoda kwezi ziqhamo ezingaka ungayenza nantoni na but ungazuchukumise lo wa. But uEfa, the Benejezeren, was manipulated by the other Benejezeren, inyoka.
Yes.
Inyoka ya manipulator yathi wena mfazi, because inyoka ibisazi bayizukwazi umanipulate uAdam. Yathi wena mfazi, why esithi umjita singathi to that tree?
Yes.
What no one does them because lo mntu umhle but ingasende ubazi mos is a desire master. Une feelings eziphezulu. Do you get
summarize it?
Uyandiva?
Use safe wena kwelo side?
Ngikho safe.
Kwenza kanoni?
Yacima le.
Okay. Izana.
So since he's a desire master, what happened there? He manipulated uEfa. uEfa wafika kumfazi sekubeka ithanga kuba amandoda wami. Kuthe nguthiwa singabethi esiphakathini.
Basebenza ngale yakho.
Because nyani xa uleli yabona phana it's a hidden information yandiva. Still umjita wona ngenxa kaEfa watya pha bethiwa ngathi khona esazi kwakwenzekani, and then baqiqa after beqiqile baziva izinqe zikaThixo zisiza yandiva eEden. That's when indoda ibalekile ingaqhelanga ubaleka yayozifihla apho uThixo wayebuza ngelizwi lakhe likhulu livunganye maye ingadele uba Adam uphina. Wathi uAdam ndilapha Nkosi ndize. Uthi kungani na undibaleka? Uthi ndize. Uthi uThixo uzibone njani na ukuba uze? UThixo kaloku seke forward sekezazi uba utyile umfana. Uthi wena uzaze njani uba uze?
Vele wayiqonda uba ke ngubile
utyile uphazamise esasikhamo ndithe ungasiphazamisi. Wabe esiphazamise nyani bezenzela amaqhabi begqume izinto. Umuntu ebeqala nengonyama nenyoka sekezoyika ezazi. That's when started the separation.
But Putera, sorry to cut you short. Not this technical but yeah. Tapa hands up in touch man for the second episode each and every day. Sambamba tapa because ngone mbona besisaya grand khake ngokwi ikazolo sizikhala ngezinyidina kange zigcwalise grand petrol kuzwizethu but khonmani yaka thanks manje words uyivala grand for balandeli. Thanks for
the day.
Uvalela balandeli.
Otherwise mina for the day ungase xa ungumuntu uhleli apho endlini ongumlandeli, ask yourself, are you focused? If not,
yes,
try to find you uba who are you? Unguntu okanye ungumntu?
Yesuski uvile
that's for the day.
Unguntu okanye unguntu so yama no feel sorry man to cut it short but zaphinde nimbamba for another episode, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. So pina sering no putere otherwise man, please do like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell button so that oko on upload the episode for the notification. This was the Benejezeren way.
All right.
Yes sir.
Yeah.